Flood problem. Every time the rain fall, this is just one day. And you can see if it's a one day and it's look like this, you can imagine if you go for 2 or 3 days, you cannot go anywhere. Yesterday, as you can see, if there was a emergency, nobody couldn't come through. The road full of water, driver couldn't go through, no children couldn't pass there. This is terrible, and this is going on for years and years and years and years. I go away and I retire and I come back here, and this is ridiculous. Look what me have to put up with. Look at my $1,000 me spend to fix up the place. I buy drain, I do all these things just to stop the water. But still, it needs to be fixed. Somebody need to do something about it. I cannot live like this. Look how the place developed. Look at it. It is a disgrace. Yesterday when I look yesterday and saw the place, I can't believe if there was anything like a girl coming, she couldn't come out. She couldn't come out. The whole place, flood, flood, flood. As you can see it.
And it leave mud after?
Look at the mud. Look at the mud there, all over the place. Look. If you go behind there, everything is right there. Everything washed away. This is terrible. This is disgraceful. If you're a retirement person that come back here to live, to be comfortable, and I can't live comfortable because of the water.
So what do you think need to happen to this?
The drain need to fix and the road need to fix, because when the rain fall as heavy as it fall yesterday, the water come float over from the road and come up through the grill and flood the yard. And everything coming from there, everywhere it's coming from, it lodged right there. And everything lodged into my yard here. And this is terrible.
So, and there's a lot of persons that have been affected by this in here.
I don't know. Everything from up there the horizon. Everything come from there, up there, lodge right here. We need something to fix there to stop the water from flood the yard. We need the road to fix. We need the drain to fix. Look at what I do. I fix the drain here. I try to get the water out of the yard, but it's still, you can see it. It still doesn't work. The government need to do something about this. This is ridiculous. And I hope somebody can see that they can. Up there, I have to buy stone. I buy stone. Up there, so you could move. Car broke down there. Broke down there. I buy stone and block it. I asked the MP, the first MP, and he gave me 2 load of marl and some cement. That's why you say you can drive there, so. No. But all the marling, he gave me 2 load of marl before, and I buy marl. And everything just washed off. So because it's washing off, the road need to fix. Because else, look over there, so it's flood of water too. But you really don't bother me. I'm concerned about myself. Look how I try to prepare myself to look about my place, to make my place looking good. And look at it. Like I don't do nothing. I spend thousands of dollars to pave the yard, to tile it, just to prevent the mud. If I didn't do all this, the whole place would be pure mud. You couldn't walk. This is terrible. We need something to be done about it.
So you couldn't step out? You couldn't step out?
No. Straight water. This morning it leave. Whole night, whole from yesterday evening from the rain start, and this morning it pull back.
Right up to this step. And the flower spot, them you could have seen them yesterday. Along the side here, water stood way up, all over the place. Everything. I make drain right here just to bring the water down, but without the drain open, without the road fixed, it will be the same thing. And this has been going on for years and years and years and years. I never walk here, sir. You couldn't jump here, sir? So you can walk here, sir, and it's just put that to go outside. You're not going to go outside? Some traffic say couldn't go down, we can't go there, we'll just see how this doesn't make sense anyway.
Out I gate flood out too, you know, so it run water coming in so. Yes, I run off you know with it taller.
You can't see you can't see from the road?
I zoom in out a gate a while ago.
There's water coming through the gate. Over there.
You see you run off up your son, if I can dirt pan here.
You can't see the counter road, right? You can't see the counter road now.
The wall. See look up part through the gate but you not see. A little journey she make through her house.
All the road should have taken you know.
That she make.
The road needs fixed.
Walk nice a dirty water now, you know.
Some water boat will have out there.
Yeah, if maybe have a water boat.
You can walk on the veranda. You can walk on the veranda and go there now. Get it from outside and to show up with the rain fall, the flood, just come right for the road.
You know, look how high your house is.
On the step. You don't come inside, still, but look on the step. So it come in from the back when it's running too hard. Because the back is low. The only friend I get away with. So I put an extra block at my back step. To avoid the water. We need help around here. Yeah.
Respect.